Good afternoon, guys. I want to share with you today's premium tips. These are VIP one of the tickets. So if you want to play this game, you can go ahead and stake this game. We have this first game here in Faro Island. Then the next one is in Iceland Division 2. Third one in Norway. Then the last one in Sweden. Then the last one here is in Czech Republic. Um, okay. I'm gonna stake this with 10,000 now. You can bet with what you have. Okay. This is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. If you want to join our VIP, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Copy this booking code and then play them. And I wish you guys good luck.